Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Yorkshire pudding wraps. We'll cover everything from preparing the perfect Yorkshire puddings to crafting savory fillings and assembling your masterpiece. Get ready to transform a classic side dish into an exciting main meal that's sure to impress. This guide will help you create a truly satisfying and memorable dish for any occasion. Achieving light and airy Yorkshire puddings is key. Start by whisking together plain flour, eggs, and milk until you have a smooth batter. Chilling this batter for at least 30 minutes or even overnight significantly improves the rise. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius with vegetable oil in a baking tray until it's smoking hot. Carefully pour in the batter and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes until they are beautifully golden and puffed up. Now for the delicious filling. You can use various meats like succulent roast beef, tender chicken, or even pulled pork. Enhance the flavor with roasted vegetables such as carrots, parsnips, or peas. Don't forget additions like savory stuffing, pigs in blankets, or sweet caramelized onions. A generous amount of warm, rich gravy is absolutely essential to bring all these wonderful flavors together and keep your wrap moist and delicious. Once your Yorkshire pudding is cooked and slightly cooled, gently flatten it. Spread a layer of your favorite sauce, such as cranberry or horseradish, over the base. Then, generously layer your chosen meat, vegetables, and any other delicious fillings. Carefully roll the pudding tightly to form your wrap. Serve it immediately with a side of hot gravy for dipping, and get ready to savor every bite of this incredible meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.